Welcome to the Ashovat Review channel, where I will be reviewing some of the latest digital products that are efficient and effective to grow your business. I'll also add my own personal bonuses for free, and they will greatly enhance the product that I'll be reviewing today. The bonuses that will make a difference in your business. Today I will be reviewing Instathumb, and it literally is a catchy clickable thumbnails. I'm going to explain a bit more so you can understand what Instathumb is all about. At the same time, I'll also let you know about the bonuses which I do have that I have added. Please remember, these bonuses are my own personal custom made bonuses that I've chosen for my clients who wish to use or buy the product through my link on my website. In terms of the link, you can click on the description, check on the link that is stated there. It will take you straight to my page, and then from there you will be able to click on this button here, grab this plus bonuses here, which is listed across my web page. So you'll be able to click that. I'm going to read through and also explain a bit more what Instathumb is about, so that you have a clarity of what it is about. But at the same time, it will also give you insight of how it works and what's happening there. Alright. In terms of the product that we're going to be, or the software we're going to be reviewing, as I said, it's Instathumb. And what it's all about, if I just read quickly here, it says the easiest drag and drop thumbnail creator with zero learning curve. Just select a template and customize it. It only takes 1 minute. You don't need to look for a thumbnail tutorials. Just the quick part there, you will hear the thunder as we do have this tutorial. Please do mind, it is raining from my side. So yeah. Going back to Instathumb. Instathumb is a thumbnail maker app, editing and designing ready-made thumbnails with many ideas to work with. Have you uploaded a video to YouTube and noted it did not get enough views? This is quite common, and the reason most of the time is this. There are millions of videos uploaded in YouTube every day. Majority of those videos get ignored, and the reason, or you need to make your videos to stand out in the crowd. Now, the reason why majority of those videos are ignored is because the thumbnail is not captivating. And with this Instathumb, it will assist you to make captivating designs, captivating thumbnails that will obviously capture the spirit of the value with which you want to and or give to your viewers who will be watching your product. Okay. Thumbnails are usually the first thing viewers see when they search for a video. You have to make sure your video thumbnail stands out and gets the viewer's attention. YouTube Creator Academy quotes that 90% of the best performing videos on YouTube have custom thumbnails. Here's a thumbnail tip. With Instathumb, you can create unlimited quality thumbnails to boost your YouTube views. There's zero learning curve, and you can get to your next thumbnail ready within 5 minutes. Okay. The features that are there, I'm going to read some of them so you can be aware of what they do have in terms of Instathumb as well as the alternative. Thumbnail specific features like stick effects, callouts, gradients, text, emojis, etc. One click away with Instathumb, and the other alternatives are not that easy. Professional design thumbnails, templates. Yes, they do have, some do not have. Inbuilt image search with millions of images, Instathumb has it. The other one doesn't have. You'll notice actually all of them don't have on these specific ones, but we'll go through what's stated here. One-click sticker and shadow effects, high contrast eye-catching backgrounds designed for YouTube, ability to use your own fonts, huge library of emojis, shapes and stickers, gradient text and callouts, make images into circular, pentagon, or even any other shape. Dozens of filters and image effects. Alright, quick recap of what you get with Instathumb. Instathumb thumbnail editor, powerful thumbnail editing software that works on any device including Windows, Mac and mobile phones, making amazing thumbnails as never before, has never been seen, or never been easier, has never been easier, 100 plus ready-made thumbnail templates. Thumbnail templates designed by a professional graphic artist who spent months researching creating best traffic generating thumbnails, and the value in some of these is over 3,000, and obviously from $30 going upwards. Millions of images at your fingertips. Our inbuilt image search engine can find hundreds of images for any keyword. You don't have to pay for images anymore. This feature will save you lots of time and money. Commercial usage, and that's valued at $97. Commercial usage, as shown above, even if you were to charge $5 thumbnail and make just 3 sales a day, you can easily make up to $450 a month. People are making thousands of dollars per month just doing this one there. And that's, I think, the reseller part that's there, and it's valued at $450. Huge library of emoji, stickers, and shapes. Hand curate collection of artwork designed for creating thumbnails, and that's valued at $27. And then support and updates. You can count on us for prompt replies to any technical queries. Includes extensive training videos and guides to help you get most out of our software. Now, the software obviously is for Instathumb, so once you click onto it, they will obviously assist you when it goes onto their page, because that link will take you to the page and be able to work from there. Okay, packaging and pricing. I'll just check here. Well, I'll read a bit of some of the stuff so you just pick up. I think I'll read the highlighted part. While creating Instathumb, I kept these things in mind. It should be easy, super easy to use, self-explanatory. It should work everywhere. Again, they did say in terms of which systems they wanted to work there. Unrestricted use, so he has moved some of the stuff so you guys have access to some of the benefits that he had, the different packages. No additional expenses, and also a catchy clickable thumbnails. In terms of the thumbnail personal, I'll just so you can see which one is there. It's currently at this specific price for launch date. I am aware that it will increase, but we'll just check there. Personal use, only 100 designer templates, thousands of image with inbuilt search, 500 emojis, clip art and shapes, sticker effect, 50 plus fonts, 50 designer backgrounds, text callouts, image effects, and in terms of the 720p HD resolution and dedicated support and updates, that's not included on this one. And this one is for your personal one. If you're going to use the professional one, it's commercial use license, 100 designer templates, thousands of images inbuilt search, 500 emojis, clip art and shapes, sticker effects, 50 plus fonts, 50 designer backgrounds, text callouts, image effects, 1080p HD resolution, and dedicated support and updates, and that's valued at $37 if you were to buy it now. And again, this is during the launch period, including this one at $35 for personal and then professional at $37. Quite cheap actually. I'm going to quickly go onto their website so you can just see what's happening there. But as I said, should you wish to buy it, click on this bonus right here and it will take you right, then you can choose which one it is there. Also, just note, I have added the demo. Again, in terms of this demo, it's really quick, but it explains to you how you can actually go about creating different types of thumbnails that will work for your business. All right. I would encourage you, when you do get a chance, read through the vendor's sales page, and check some of them. As you can see, these are the different types of thumbnails that are accessible to you in the event that you do buy it, and you can actually utilize it there. So you'll go through that, and yeah, on that demo video, it'll explain how you can actually alter some of the stuff. I was watching some of it, and I was actually quite impressed with what they do have on their side there. All right. Okay, this is just explaining what's happening with the different thumbnails, etc. Okay, that's what we just read. Alright, so if you click on it, it will take you to that page. You can obviously go through it, but you'll see what's happening there. Going into my bonuses, as I said earlier on at the beginning of the start of the channel, I stated that I've added bonuses for you guys to be able to use to enhance your business. And I'll go right through some of all the bonuses that are stated here, and then yeah, I'll just give a bit of explanation in terms of what to expect. Some of them are a bit not straightforward. Okay, the first bonus is a YouTube ranking, advanced YouTube thumbnail tips for more views. And obviously, this going in conjunction with Instathumb will teach you tips and tricks that you can use to further increase your click-through rate, as well as to get more views to watch. Bonus number 2 is killer tips to nail thumbnails. That's self-explanatory, so obviously it's similar to the first bonus, but slightly different in terms of what it is they are stating there. Third bonus is a YouTube growth hacks, thumbnail tips, and how to stay productive during a crisis. So again, they're just teaching you basic stuff that you can use to grow your business in the event that you are using YouTube to grow. And in terms of obviously thumbnail, this will obviously work to grow your business, whichever it is, whether it's your business or something that you're doing on the side, a side hustle. The fourth bonus is how to find content ideas for social media 2020 tools and hacks. Obviously, they'll go into depth in terms of creating content if you're a person who uses videos, and obviously given the Instathumb as for those who make a lot of content on a daily basis. So this will assist you in terms of creating excellent content for you. So do have a look at it. But I'm more than happy, I'm more than sure that you'll be happy with the bonuses that I have added on the side there. Alright, all bonuses will be added to your account upon purchasing it. In the event that you don't or unable to get those, please contact me on this email address and I'll be more than willing to assist you to get you those bonuses. Right. Thank you for watching the review of Instathumb. It was a pleasure explaining the true benefits of this exceptional product, going in depth to fully equip you with the knowledge and the know-how. Please don't forget the extra bonuses I've personally added. You won't regret it. Thanks again, and bye for now.